Hi everyone, welcome to the Parker Scripture Botanical Gardens. I am excited today to share with you what our master gardeners have designed and planted in our All-American Selection Gardens. Over here in this bed, we had a special guest this spring, a killdeer bird who was sitting on her nest of eggs. We ended up planting the Viking begonias, which were overwintered by our high school BOCES, and they were planted and they look so nice now, and you can see this bed turned out lovely. We moved on to this bed and we have in back the dainty purples of the Vanity verbena zinnia that's in front, and down in the center is the orange flaming celosia, and you can see the All-American Selection marigolds tie in nicely with the yellows and oranges. They've been blooming all summer long. In this bed, we have the concert bell sunflowers in bloom, and we also planted the blue bayou salvia, which bloomed early in the season and throughout the summer months. At the center focal point of the garden, you can see again continuation of the colorful flowers and also the lovely foliage of the veins of this plant that really bring out the garden. In here we have our nice seeded planters, and you can see again the array of colors from the plants. Here's the eggplant icicle in our hay bale bed. We would like to take a moment to thank all those who helped us plant, care for the gardens here. Our Child Care Council, along with the Master Gardener volunteers who help teach the ARC students. And we also like to thank the high schools that started the seeds for us today, and we hope you enjoyed your tour.